where to find these? This is by no means a complete map of where you're allowed to build Garden Suites in Ontario. However, this section is big enough to show where we are considering. And for people who are familiar with us, there are many factors that we have built into our model, which is an 18-element model, to arrive at a conclusion at which areas we should target to acquire what kind of products. We actually have a separate short series on what those elements are and how we have arrived at that sort of conclusion. So for people who are interested in terms of how our thinking process are in terms of picking out locations to target, feel free to check out our other series. Now, to make things very simple, we have shown you the conclusion here. This map represents for the regions that has close approximately to Toronto, where you can find assets to add a garden suite and where we are doing. So as of today, which is June 2021, the yellow ones represents what we think are upcoming. So garden suites are still not permitted, but we know discussion going on at the City Hall and they may allow it soon. The green ones are municipalities that have already permitted. So you're looking at Barrie, Hamilton, Brantford, Peterborough, etc. only shown in this map. Obviously, there are areas that's beyond this map, but that's for your own research. And if you're curious, reach out. We'll have a discussion on where those are. So where are we investing? That's a $1 million question. So after an 18-step due diligence, we've landed here. City of Barrie and Durham, specifically Oshawa. So we have quite a few projects going on in Barrie, which has already permitted garden suites, and we're closely watching Durham for any upcoming announcements regarding when they're going to open for garden suites. Again, if you're interested in knowing how we modeled our due diligence, our thinking process, and how we have arrived at the conclusion, literally how we pick any target city for any real estate project, feel free to check out our other series on real estate investing fundamentals.